Welcome to Purple Trading, where we offer you cTrader, the incredibly comprehensive platform that has raised the standards in the online trading industry. In our last videos, we have looked at most of the amazing features of cTrader, and in this video, we will give you an overview of Automate to help you get started in creating your own indicators and performing algorithmic trading. This video is intended only as a basic introduction, as the correct use of Automate will require a commitment in research, learning, and experimentation to be fully productive. A basic knowledge of the programming language C# will be required to use Automate, and some excellent examples can be found at help.ctrader.com/ctrader-automate. Also on the website ctrader.com, under Forums and Automate, the community is available to address any questions. To get started, click Automate on the side menu. Here we have our CBOTs and indicators listed, and you may search here. A variety of samples is already installed, and they can be used as templates to get you started. For example, let's duplicate sample SMA, change its name, and we note that we have to rebuild after a change, and you will see the build result here. We may add an instance and assign this indicator to a symbol and time frame. And we may add this to a different symbol and time frame and change the parameters only for this instance. We return to the original code, and we may change the default parameters, and these are reflected in the new instances. The new indicator may be opened and modified directly from the charts. The API Reference Explorer is available to search for the elements you may use, including the correct syntax and sample code. As shown in an earlier video, should you want your indicators to send you email notifications, you will need to set this up in Settings. Then refer to help.ctrader.com/ctrader-automate/email_notifications for the correct code to apply and paste into your code. Sample CBOTs may be duplicated and modified in the same way as the indicators. Trading CBOTs can be run in the background, while risk management CBOTs will be run from within charts. Any CBOT may be built, launched, backtested, and optimized from within the same screen under simple tabs, and a backtesting and optimization progress bar may be used. You may set up your backtesting strategy under a variety of parameters, including commissions and spreads, and look back at specific periods in time and adjust the speed of the visual test. After the backtest, you may view the results through a wide variety of analysis parameters. Under optimization, you may determine and apply an optimal set of parameters and multiple backtest procedures. Optimization criteria may be selected and customized. The optimization method may be changed, and your computer's resources may be adjusted for best results. For full details, you may consult help.ctrader.com/ctrader-automate/cbot_testing. To modify or create indicators with CBOT's Visual Studios, you will first need to install it by visiting www.visualstudio.microsoft.com and follow the download instructions. More information can be found at help.ctrader.com/ctrader-automate/visual_studio, which will take you step by step through modifying. CBOTs and indicators may be saved within templates, saving you time and increasing your efficiency. That's all for now. In our next video, we will show you how to run cTrader on Apple Mac computers. We hope you will enjoy this cTrader desktop and web video series and embarking on your new exciting trading journey with Purple Trading. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to be purple.